What's that like to work with?
Well, first of all, being on the road makes you mature a lot faster. Having the responsibility that we have makes you have to grow up a lot faster. So just in 1 year, our 1 year is like a normal teenager 3 years. So over 5 years, some of the things I thought and, said and whatever I think about, I'm like, who was I? And I'm still growing, and I'm still learning about a lot of different things. But I definitely, I'm older now, and I'm making a lot more of my own decisions, and actually making my own decisions, and just my whole thought process is a little different. But all of my morals and the things that I grew up with, all of the things that my family put into me, they're still there.